What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Yardy Wall Street, and today is Thursday. And you know how we do it Thursday? Every Thursday, we deposit money in our regular Fidelity account. Yes, people. And today, the market is out of hand. The market is going down, 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 and down. Yes, people. The market is crashing. But when you say the market is crashing, that don't mean it's crashing like, you know what I mean? I call it a correction. Yes, all right. So listen me, if you're a long-term investor like myself, you know what I mean, you got nothing to worry about. Same treatment, dollar cost average, all right? But if you're a day trader or a trade option, you're getting burned today. All right? Yes, you're getting burned. So this is the importance of investing long term, people. All right, so let's get into it. So today we deposit a minimum at $30 in VBK, a Vanguard small cap stock for growth. Yes, and we put $30 in, and now we have $40 and 16 cents in that ETF. Okay, on this portfolio we're sitting at $305.34. Remember, we start at $25, and we only have $6.59 return. You know what I mean? But we not watch that. We just start, and this is all. Remember, this is all you grow a portfolio for people like myself who have a 9 to 5. All right. This is how you invest. All right. This is how I invest. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. All right. And the four thing we use to invest is very simple. It's discipline, consistent, patient, and you have some cash. Okay, and remember, every single day we invest. All right. On Monday we invest in our Roth IRA. On Tuesday is our tradition IRA. On Wednesday is our Robinhood. And today, Thursday, Fidelity account. Tomorrow, Friday, we're gonna do some crypto. Crypto is already down. Crypto is getting smack. Okay, you think I'm scared? Nope, I'm gonna buy more tomorrow. We'll see. All right. So now, people, so this is my portfolio. All right, so as you can see here, everything is down. Amazon, Casco, you know what I mean, Procter and Gamble, Visa, Colgate, everything is down. Okay, but listen me, what we do, being consistent. We don't watch the noise of the market. That's why you do it long term. The market's gonna go up and down all the time. Okay, we're gonna buy high, we're gonna buy low, and today we're buying low. The market is down and we're still buying. That means it's on sale. We love red days. When you see red, that means the market is on sale, and that is a good thing for us. We just start investing, so it doesn't matter. As long as you invest in ETF and good blue chip stocks, everything okay. You don't gotta worry. But if you are a day trader or a trade option, you're gonna be losing some money today. Okay? So listen, people, we're not watching that, okay? The correct way to invest is long term. All right, no matter what the market does, you invest, and this is what I do. All right, so today we invest in VBK, and next week we're gonna invest in VUG. All right, another Vanguard ETF. Remember, I'm a 90% ETF, 10% stocks, and this is all I do. I invest, whether the market is up, whether the market is down. All right, next week we're gonna put it in VUG. We have $10 in there. We're gonna put 30, maybe 35, depends what we have. All right, and if you notice, it's on my current value, so the smallest one is at the bottom. So we investing from the bottom go up. As you can see, my Amazon 42, then 40, then 39. You see? Yes. So next week it's VUG, then FFLG, then VOO, then Colgate. That is how I invest. All right. And listen, remember, you're doing the legwork. We're doing the legwork, so we're gonna be investing for a minute. You're not gonna see no result. Yeah, we have $6 here when the market is down, but listen me, that's not what we're here for. We're investing for the long term. You know what I mean? And over the time, you're gonna see gains. You're gonna see you have a lot, because yesterday we were having $12. Now we have 6. Tomorrow might having 3. That's how the market work. All right. If you're investing for the long term, you're not worried about gains or returns right now. You know what I mean? The main reason is you worry about filling your position. All right, we need to have more shares. It's not about the price, it's always about the shares, how much shares you have. That's why we dollar cost average, and dollar cost average is when you buy the same amount every single week, and that's what we do. Every 7 day we put money in this portfolio. Remember, we was sitting at 25 the first time. Now we are 305. And that's it. We're trying to make this portfolio go to 15,000 along with my other portfolio. All six portfolio, we're trying to reach 15,000 by 2030. All right. So my people, this is how you do it. No matter what you do, all right, you invest. If things is tight, can remember, everything is going up, all right? Yes, every single thing. Food going up, clothes going up, cost of living going up, but you still gotta find some way to invest, all right? If you have one job, you need to get a side job, all right? You need to do something. Do Uber Eats, all right? Do Uber, all right? DoorDash, Grubhub, all of that. Try. You only need to make an extra $300 a week, all right? You make an extra $300 a week, you just take $200 and you invest. 'Cause that's what I do. I invest like 200 plus every week because why? I have six portfolio and I spread it across. Some day I'll have 25, some day I'll have 35, some days I'll have 45. Depends how my weekly go. And remember, people, you have to have an emergency fund. And Sunday I deposit money in my emergency fund. Why you should have an emergency fund? Because you don't want to sell. All right, you don't want to sell when things get tight. Things could happen. Things, you have a family member sick, you have a kid sick, something go down, you have to spend money. You don't want to mess with your portfolio because this is a business, all right, and every single dollar is a worker, and we need this money to work for us while we're sleeping. It's very simple, all right. You need to have money working for you, all right. Some people invested in real estate, some people invested in gold, silver, all type of stuff. We invested in stocks. Stocks is 150,000, no, 150 years old. Yeah, make it real, all right. The stock market crash, you always come back, all right. If you're investing in good blue chip stocks like Visa, all right, yes, Casco, Amazon, those are good blue chip stocks. You don't gotta worry. These are not gonna go to zero, especially the ETF. ETF is a group of stocks together in one basket. It's not gonna go to zero, all right. But if you invest in penny stocks or some company that is going bankrupt and you didn't do your homework, well, you have to worry. You're not gonna sleep in your bed tonight, all right, because the market is going down, down she goes, all right. And listen, if you're investing like us, it's good for you. The market is going down, it's a very good thing. You know why? Because everything is on sale. And when stuff is on sale, it's good for us. You see what I'm saying? Yes, I love to see red. You're supposed to love to see red if you just start investing, especially if you're in your 20s. If you're in your 20s, you want the stock market to go down and stay down for 20 years. If you're in your 30s, same thing, all right? Remember, you just start investing. Some of these stock prices are high, and all year the stock market is in a bull market, all right? And now it's a bear market time. You're still gonna invest. That's why we do dollar cost average. No matter where the price is, we're buying a little by a little. Sometimes we buy it for high, sometimes we buy it for low. But the main thing is consistent. It's easy to invest, people. The baby and the breast could invest, all right? If you get the concept. People make it sound complicated, but it's not, all right? You only need 4 simple habits: discipline, consistent, patient, and you need some cash. That's all we use to grow my portfolio. All right, that's why we're here on YouTube. All right, because a lot of people tell you to invest, but they don't show you. I show my portfolio daily. All right, I show you what I do, I show you what I buy, and I show you everything. I never sell. So all right, this is to encourage you people, do not sell. If you're investing in good blue chip stocks and ETF, you do not have to sell when the market is getting out of hand like right now. All you gotta do is buy and hold. Same method. Doesn't matter what the market does. We're not gonna change our style. We're not gonna reposition. We're not gonna sell and go back in and out. We're just gonna stay the course. Buy and hold. All right. It's simple, people. Buy and hold. Doesn't matter what. All right. Tomorrow is the same thing. Tomorrow we're gonna invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's the only two crypto that I have, and it's down, and I'm happy because I need to buy some more. Okay, and listen, no matter where you're at, no matter what you're doing, if you're not investing, you're playing around. All right, don't watch nice of the market. Don't watch the $305. All right, remember, you're a regular people. You don't work on Wall Street. You don't work a lot of money. You don't need a lot of money to invest. All you need to do is to be disciplined and consistent. All right, you could start a portfolio at $5. Start this at $25. Look where we at now. We are $305. All right, and we're counting. Remember, by 2030, this portfolio, this 305 is supposed to be 15,000. Don't watch nice of the market. Compound interest is working in the background. You might not seen it, but it's working. You must do your job. Stick to the game plan. Invest every single week. And you're gonna see people. That's why we're here on YouTube growing this portfolio to see my people, my fellow Jamaicans, people from the Caribbean. Alright? See that, listen to me, you don't have to have a lot of money to invest. All you need is consistent, all right? Be patient, all right? And be disciplined. Every single, this is all you do. Don't get frustrated and say, why it's not growing, it's only $6. That's not how it works. If you plant a tree, it's not gonna grow at the same time. All right? So listen to me. Do your thing. Get your portfolio out. Pick your stocks. You don't have to buy what I buy. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. All right? This is how I invest. All right? Yeah, the Wall Street. You understand what I'm saying? Like dollar cost average away. Every single day we invest. Okay? So people, you don't know. Every day we make a video and we don't cut, we don't edit video. We just rumble. All right? Yes, we turn this camera on and we rumble and we show you guys what is up. All right? So if you're out there and you're buying a course, you're wasting time. You don't have to buy no course. All right? Just do your little research and buy good companies and start investing now. Okay? So people, big up on the damn self. This is the Wall Street. Follow, like, share if you like my idea. Alright, and remember, we invest every single day on this channel. Alright, Monday our Rat IRA, Tuesday our Tradition IRA, Wednesday our Robinhood account, Thursday is Today or Fidelity. Tomorrow in Coinbase, we're gonna put some money and buy some crypto. And Saturday, we put money in our real estate in Funrise. We have a Funrise account. We put money in, and then Sunday it's emergency account. We put money in our emergency fund. All right, and this is it. So follow me tomorrow, same time, same treatment. Big up on yourself. One love.